Today I'll be talking about this generic ear mouse that I bought on AliExpress, and spoiler alert, it's good, it's more than good, it's the perfect remote control. This is my Infinix X1 TV and I've had this TV for 2 years now. The TV is great, but I've had some minor issues. First of all, this remote control. This remote control does not have Google Assistant, and this remote control does not have a pointer. Now I have an LG Smart TV which has the Magic Motion remote control, and that has a pointer, and it makes it very easy to type stuff on the TV. Now you can understand how I was struggling using this remote control, but don't worry, this here is the solution. I bought this Air remote control on AliExpress for around 1075 Kenya shillings. This is around $8.5 US. It's known as an Air remote mouse because it has a gyroscope, and what a gyroscope does is that it translates actual physical motions onto the pointer on the screen. Inside the packaging we have the remote control, a manual, and a USB dongle that you'll need to plug into the back of the TV. It uses two AAA batteries, and now let us look at two of the biggest problems that I solved with this remote control. Number one, Google Assistant. To use Google Assistant, I'll just need to press this red button over here. Open Spotify.
Opening Spotify.
That's one of the biggest reasons I love this remote control. Here we have Spotify. The second biggest reason I love this remote control is the pointer, and you can access the pointer by pressing this button over here. And it's very fast to search for stuff using the pointer. Now I have this other remote control that I bought to try and solve the problems that this remote control has just solved, and this is the worst remote control that I have ever bought. This is the video. I'll also post it in the video description below, and don't dare buy this remote control. This is the better choice. And lastly, this remote control has a very big trick up its sleeve, and that's because it can learn IR commands from the native remote control. The problem this trick solves is that you cannot switch on the TV from a cold start using the power button on this remote control. To solve that, this remote control can learn IR commands from the main remote control. To teach it the command, you just press and hold the power button and just follow the instructions as they've been written on this manual over here. And now this remote control has just learned the IR functions of the main remote control. And now with this, I can just keep away the main remote control and I can turn on the TV from a cold start, mind you, not from standby. I can switch on this TV from a cold start with the Air mouse remote control. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you learned something new today. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. That's it, thank you for watching and goodbye. And I will also post the other videos that I have mentioned in this video in the video description below, as well as in the cards on the top right corner of your screen. Thank you for watching again and goodbye.